I'm taking a buy trade now on DEX 1005 down index. I took my entry from the 1 hour time frame. Now, what we'll do is that first of all, we draw our trend lines. We'll make sure our trend line touch only the wicks. Only the wicks. Because if you don't touch the wicks, the problem is you will not have too much an accurate entry. So make sure that they touch the wicks so we know how to go. Now, yeah, that spot is a buy zone, what they call rally based rally. So price sometimes willingly come to that region to take order. By the time price comes to that region, price is going to go up again. Now I'll draw my upper trend. Now remember, make sure it touch only the wick, only the wicks rather, only the wicks. If it cuts across the body, it won't be so much accurate. So when I draw my trend lines, I make sure that it touch only the wicks. Only the wicks. You can see how careful I am to make sure that it touch only the wicks. Only the wicks. Now, I took my entry way down there, and after some time, price went up, and I'm expecting that price will push up higher. If price comes up back to that region, that shadow zone up there. So by the time price comes there to the left, you know that we have more like something like a resistance zone there, and then there's this rally based rally. So by the time price comes to that zone, price will hit there and price will go on up. And the reason why I like the DEX is that they move very, very, very fast. They move very, very, very fast. So I spotted my market. I took my entry on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what will become of us. Now, the other zone I'm marking up there is a drop, base drop. That's a sell zone. That's a sell zone. But there is a high tendency that price will likely break that zone to go upwards, because overall the market is in a bullish condition. So it's making higher highs and all that. So after some time, this is where we are. And but for price to take order, price has to come to that zone to take order. Price has to come to that zone to take order. Now, there's something you have to understand here is that you see, trading requires wisdom and patience. Now, after some time, just as I said, price came, it took order there, took the order, and it went even up higher. So both I had already closed my market now, and if you could see, it's making higher highs. So from the line chart, we can clearly see that there's a possibility that price may even shoot up higher than the way it is now. So I'm going to take out all the trend lines and the shadow zones. Now, if I go to the 4 hours time frame, I'm looking for the nearest level of resistance, because it has broken the other major level of resistance. So I'm looking for another level of resistance that might the price from going up. I'm in the daily time frame now. I can't find any here, but I believe that in the weekly time frame, maybe we might see something in the weekly time frame. So let's just all go together. We might likely see something in the weekly time frame. Okay, and yes, that's a very strong zone. The price would not just easily break that zone, because if you could look at the left, there's a very powerful zone there, and I can see we have a drop, this drop. Yeah, there's shadows on there. So there's a possibility that price might sell, but price won't just sell at once. It's not possible for price to just sell once. It's not possible. So what's likely going to happen is that I would want price to start making a change of character. By the time price start making a lower lows, that will be suitable for me to make my sell entry. But the way it is now, even in the 4 hour time, I can see several demand zones here. Rally based rally. Although some of them are no longer fresh anymore, but I would want price to break those structure to the downside, do a change of character before an entry would be suitable. So for now, it's wise and advisable that you just wait for the proper setting to occur before you make your entry, because the way it is now, there is a possibility that price could even break the weekly time frame. Now these are the trades that I took.